Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make your laptop's Wi-Fi signal faster on Windows 7, 8, 8.1 and 10. So this is gonna be an easy and a quick tutorial, and all you want to do is subscribe to my channel before we start. And now once you're done we can start. So open the start menu and type control panel. Under app, it should be listed under apps, so just click on it and open it. Now click on network and internet. Click on network and sharing center. And now once you're here, you're gonna see access type, internet and connections. For me it's Wi-Fi, for you maybe something else. So you want to click on that and this should come up, the Wi-Fi status. Once you're here, what you want to do is click on properties and click on configure. Okay. Now go to the power management tab, the last one for me. And what you want to do is uncheck the box for allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Once you're done, go to the advanced tab. And now what you want to do is go to roaming aggressiveness. So I don't have it, but some of you may do, and if you have it then go to it, roaming aggressiveness, and you should put the value to enabled. So let's see if some of these have that value. No. Oh yeah, there it is. So go to roaming aggressiveness and put the value to enable. And if you have numbers from 1 to 5, put it on 1. Now go to thoughtful throughput booster. I don't have that either, but if you have it, click on it and enable it and disable it. I'm sorry, you want to disable thoughtful throughput booster. And now once you're done, you're gonna go to fat channel intolerant, and you want to enable that. So I don't have those options, but if some of you do, then just go to them and enable or disable them. So you want to enable roaming aggressiveness, you want to disable thoughtful throughput booster, and you want to enable fat channel intolerance. Now once you're done, click on OK, click on close, and you may want to restart your PC. Thanks for watching guys, please subscribe, like and comment.